Hello! In this video I will show you how to reset your device through settings on HONOR MagicPad 13. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on System and Updates. Now click on Reset, and then click on Reset Tablet. Now click on Reset Tablet again and click on Reset Tablet. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.